Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Salena here at AmourFabriQues. I am home, thankfully. So I'll update you guys about that at the end of this video if you want to wait to hear that at the end of the video, how things are going medically and all that. Stick around to the end of the video. But good morning to you all. I'm home, thankfully. And I'll be home for about a couple of days. And I just reopened the shop just for a couple of days because I got a lot of notes for people asking if they can grab some things before I head back out again. So if you're interested, run over to the shop. Down below is the shop link, and grab what you need. Because like I said, I'll have everything out by Monday and back on the road, I think Tuesday, back to Sarasota and all that. And I miss you guys. I'll be back. I need to get this done, and then I'll be back and roaring and with a bunch of really cool, really neat things you guys haven't seen in the shop. I'm excited. It's like almost waiting for Christmas Day kind of feeling, because I have all these things I had ordered and purchased and ready for the next daily deal, and it's just not out there yet for you guys. And I don't want to tell you what it is. It's lip sealed. I'm not going to tell you because I don't want someone else to pick up this idea. So it's just our idea, and you guys will get the first pick of it once it's out there. So I'm gonna leave it at that. All right, so for the medical, if you're still watching, so I did get approval in Sarasota, Florida for a surgery on the 31st. Thankfully, forgive me if I'm not looking into the camera. I have no clue where it's at. So the 31st, I got approval for Sarasota, Florida to have surgery done a month earlier than what was given to me here in Pensacola, Florida, since there's no beds in a hospital. Had some biopsies done, which that pretty much made me on bed rest for a few days. That was hard. If anyone's had a biopsy, that was just considerably miserable and painful, and let's not even go there anymore. I'll just leave it at that. Biopsies are not fun. So the 31st, I had to be out at Sarasota on the 24th because they got to quarantine me for COVID to make sure everything's good, I'm healthy before surgery. 2 days before surgery, they got to do COVID testing. And then I have surgery on the 31st, and then I'll be hospitalized for 2 to 3 days. Fun, right? Yay, what we have to do. But either way, I got great doctors, great surgeons, and a great trauma team on hand. And I hear that Sarasota has the best, it's the seventh best surgical hospital out of 188 hospitals in Florida. I know that the Mayo Clinic in Jacksonville, Florida is #1, but I got a hold of Sarasota first. And they are amazing. So they'll have 3 surgeons available for me, which I feel so grateful. And so last minute, which I'm sure because my conditions are dire. So I can't just say I'm just thankful that they so happened to let me in so soon. Anyways, good news is on the road to the right direction and hopefully great recovery. And then I'll be back sharing and teasing you guys with much more goodies along the way. Thank you guys for your support and love and patience, and knowing that I'm a little slow at attending to social media and messages. So again, back to the shop. It is open for a few days. I'm going to be stocking some more things. Not necessarily new things right now. I just don't have the time. But I can't wait to get back right at it. So thank you guys for your prayers, love, support. And that is Mr. Don in the background fixing some things in the office. My cutting tool decided to die on me at a moment that I really, really need it. So he's Mr. Fix It, and he's in there fixing it for me. Okay. You guys have a great Sunday. Thank you again for everything. Bye.